Everybody, it's Dr. Dave, and I just want to walk you through the D2L shell for our course CSO 4005 Endocannabinoid System and Pharmacology. So you can see here I'm on the course homepage. There you'll see announcements each week. There's an introductory announcement now, and each week you'll see a new announcement highlighting what's going on in the class, what to expect, and additional announcements I'll shoot over as issues arise if need be. Next place you should go is check on the Content tab. What you'll see here on the left is our outline, our table of contents, Start Here page, and then you'll see the various weeks of the course. Next we'll go to that Start Here page, and a couple important things there. The first right here is our CSO 4005 syllabus. It's important you take a look at that before the class gets going. There's also on this page a Getting to Know You survey. It's not required, but I certainly appreciate you completing that and let me know a little bit more about you. Finally, if you scroll down on the table of contents at the bottom, you'll see Spring 2025 Policies and Student Help, and there you see a range of resources if you find those necessary. Going back to our table of contents, let's just click into a weekly module. We'll go to week 1. All the modules will look the same, but obviously different content. The first thing you're going to want to check out for that week is the module Introduction and Learning Objectives. You'll see that briefly described with the learning objectives at the bottom. Going back to our week 1 module. Next, you'll often see, there's none yet, but you'll often see any slides or other pertinent information that you'll need prior to one of our lectures. Following that, you'll see required resources. You open up the tab and you see the required resources for each week. They're always marked by a checkbox, and it's these required resources that are important to review, not just because of the material, but because reviewing these resources are part of your grade as well. And then next you'll see the assessments for the week. There'll usually be a knowledge check every week. And then usually some type of discussion or assignment, which you'll see described here. And finally, at the very bottom, you'll see a tab of additional resources. Now, often these will have many resources. The first week only has 3. These are not required resources, but they are important information that you may want to use for completing your assignments and your discussions, or you just may want them in your cannabis reference base. But they're there for you, but they are not required to read. Again, every week looks pretty much the same. If there's any questions, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in class.